In today's AI video tutorial, we'll show you how you can use your product image to create this amazing ad poster using only AI. So, let's begin. First, open Gemini. Click on this plus icon. Upload files. Add your product image. Now, copy the prompt. Paste it here. Next, click on Tools. Choose Create Image. Now we'll use Pro Model. Click on Arrow to generate your image. Here's the result. Click on this download icon to get your image. Now, open Canva. Click on Custom Size. Take 1080 by 1350 pixels canvas. Click on Create New Design. Go to Upload and upload your generated image. Add it to canvas. Fit it to canvas. Select the image. Click on Edit. Then Magic Grab. Click on Gemini icon, then grab. Delete the icon. Now, we'll adjust our image position to get some free space on top of the canvas. Duplicate the page. Click on Edit. Then go to Magic Grab. Select both mobiles. Click on Grab. Canva AI automatically grabs the mobile. Now copy this image. Paste it on our first page. Now select Grab Image on second page. Open Magic Grab again. We'll grab this first mobile only. Now copy this image and paste it on the first page similarly. In this way, we can create 3 layers of mobile. Now change the color of the background to match with our image. Go to Elements. Search Swirl Neon Lights. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Adjust its size and position like this. Now, click on Position, then Layers. Place it behind the mobile. After this, duplicate and crop. Repeat the process to make it round to the mobile. Next, search Sparkling Magical Light. Go to Graphics. Add this one. Adjust its size and position like this. Now, duplicate and place this one exactly like ours. Then, place it behind the mobile. After this, select the element. Click on Edit. Then open Filters. Apply Zeal filter effect to match with our image. Next, select Swirl element. Apply Rustic filter effect. After this, search Neon Lens. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Adjust its size and position. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type phone name. Go to Font. Search Avenir. Choose Avenir Extra Bold Font. Change font size to 50 and color to white. Click on Effect. Choose Neon Effect. Add another text. Choose Avenir Bold Font. Change font size to 135 pixels. Go to Color. We'll use this orange color to match with mobile. Go to Position. Place it behind the first text. Go to Text. Add a subheading. Type phone color. Choose Avenir Medium Font. Make it uppercase. Go to Color. We'll choose this orange color for this text. Set letter spacing to 150. Go to Effect and apply Neon Effect. After this, go to Elements. Search Gradient Neon button. Go to Graphics section. Add this one. Adjust its size and position like this. Now go to Elements. Add a square shape. Place it behind the button. Select the shape again. Set corner rounding to 20. Adjust its size. Now, group these both elements. Next, go to Position and open this group layers. Select the shape. Change its color to dark orange. Now, set the transparency to 60. Now, duplicate this button and place it in different positions like this. After this, go to Text and add a heading. Now, we'll add phone specs. Choose Avenir Extra Bold Font. Set font size to 42. Change its color to white. Duplicate and add Next text. Choose Avenir Roman Font. Click on Position, then rotate it to 90 degrees. Adjust its size. Duplicate and add Next one. Choose Avenir Medium Font. Set font size to 25. Go to Effect. Apply Neon Effect. Increase intensity to 100. In the same way, add all other specs. After this, go to Text and add a heading. Now, we will add a tagline. Go to Font, search Hyperwave 1. Select this font. Scale its font size. Change its color to orange. Now, place it at the top left corner. Increase text spacing of first text. Select both texts and apply neon effect. Set its transparency to 20. Now, go to Text. Add a body. Now, add short details about the product. Choose Avenir Light Font. Change font size to 15 and color to white. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Go to Effect and apply Lift Effect. Set line spacing to 1. Our design is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.